In this video, I'll show you how to connect Dexscreener and Phantom Wallet. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. And at first, you need to be logged into your Dexscreener account or your Dexscreener profile or your Dexscreener view. And this is the moonshot by Dexscreener. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Phantom Wallet to this moonshot, right? So if you can be able to connect your Phantom Wallet to your moonshots, you can be able to trade some meme coins, right? Once you have some Solana funded on your wallet. So what you need to do, the first thing you need to do is you need to install the Phantom Wallet extension to your Chrome browser, right? So once you have installed the Phantom Wallet to your Chrome browser, it can be easier for you to deposit some Solana and trade through, right? You can be trading in this Dexscreener, right? Once you connect your Phantom Wallet. So I'm going to enter my password and I'm going to see how much I got here, right? So wait for it to load. So I got $1.84 right here, and I'm gonna connect my Dexscreener right now to my Phantom Wallet. So you need to click on this connect. Once I've clicked on it, wait for it to open. You would click on the second one, right? So yeah, you can see our wallet just got connected right away. And one thing about connecting your wallet to this Dexscreener, once you connect your wallet, you can be able to buy any token you want to buy. Let's say if I head over to this my Solana right now, right? I want to buy any token. I want to buy this penguin. It has a market cap of $748,000. So you can see this buy and sell option has been displayed right here. Once you can be able to connect your Phantom Wallet to Dexscreener, you can trade like easily for yourself. So if I click on this buy, let's say I got like $100 in my Solana wallet, you can see I don't have enough Solana in my wallet. That is why I cannot be able to even buy 0.1. So right here. So if you have some Solana in your wallet, you can be able to buy Solana. You can be able to buy this token right away, and you can be able to sell it as well if you want to sell it, right? You can buy here, you can sell here. So if I go to my moonshot by Dexscreener right now, you can see our wallet has been connected, and if I click on it, if I want to disconnect my wallet, I can easily do that as well. Click on this disconnect as well. So this is how you can connect your Dexscreener and Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.